Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Becca, and in today's video we are repairing and restoring this hair because as you can see it looks a mess, and we're going to be doing this beautiful flat twist out. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I may have stretched my wash day for way too long, y'all. In my defense, I've been on a busy schedule, plus I've been training for a 5K run, but it's okay because Carol's daughter new Born to Repair line is going to revive my hair. I also want to thank Carol's daughter for sponsoring this video. My hair was in need of some serious moisture. I'm going to be doing a twist out, so you know the base of my hair needs to be clean. It needs to be revived. So first I started with their Nourishing shampoo. I love how it didn't make my hair feel dry, and it's safe for color treated hair. You always want to make sure that you're adding moisture back to your hair after shampooing, and their 60-second moisture treatment did just that. Just leave it in for 1 minute and let it work its magic. I know you see the shine. Real quick, let's give a before on how dry my hair looked compared to now. Now after I applied the 60-second treatment, I did not rinse it out. You just want to apply the Nourishing conditioner right on top. My hair was so much easier to detangle. Now while I do opt to use a brush, my fingers was working just fine. Now that I've rinsed out everything, I can begin styling my hair with the defining cream along with a light gel just to twist my hair and give it some hold. My favorite part about the Born to Repair collection is that it is a complete line of clean and color safe formulas that's good for your curls and the planet. It's also important that I use products that can be used on my color treated hair to maintain the health of it. Once my twists were styled and had enough time to dry, it was time to take them down using the revival oil. You always want to make sure you're using a light oil to take down your twists to limit frizz and give your hair some shine. I find the takedown process so therapeutic and satisfying because you can see the results of all the work you put into styling your hair. But for real, can we get into the definition? You know you had the right combo when the twist out just gives effortless beauty. Because for me, twist out results be having me on the edge of my seat. One wrong move and you just have to do a whole other style. But luckily that wasn't the case for this. Using the Born to Repair collection definitely left my hair feeling moisturized, and the shine was there even days later. How about we slow things down a bit? A great tip for achieving a twist out with some definition and length is braiding the roots and twisting the ends. I find that it helps to elongate my hair and gives me the volume that I love. It also helps to last longer. What you need to make sure you remember is that you're detangling your hair with a flexible thin tooth hair tool as you twist your hair. For my girls that cannot braid, I got you. A flat twist is such a cute substitute for a braid. We're doing 2 flat twists on each side of our head, so depending on how big you want your flat twist, that's the size of the part you need. Now to get those parts clean, you want to make sure you're using an edge control. I'm going to be using Edge Fixer. I also like to pull out my baby hairs at this point and smooth the product into my hair. For a flat twist, you want to make sure you take 2 pieces of hair instead of 3 and begin wrapping them around each other and making sure you're including hair as you move along. Once you've flat twisted off your scalp, detangle your hair and begin twisting as you regularly would. Once I was done with this twist, I noticed that my ends were puffing up, so I had to secure it with a rubber band right where my hair comes off my scalp, and then I retwisted it and it laid so much flatter. I also wanted to make mention that I had to do a 3-strand twist because my hair is really thick, but you don't have to do that. You can just do a 2-strand twist. I only used a hair cream for my flat twist, but if you want to use a gel, you can, and my hair was also stretched a bit just so it can dry faster. Now you're just going to repeat those same steps of flat twisting your hair, and as soon as the twist is off your scalp, secure with a rubber band and begin twisting the ends. And also coiling the ends help to give it a nice curly look as well. As mentioned before, in the front of my hair I only use cream, but in the back of my hair I did use a cream and a light gel. braided the roots and twisted the ends. I also don't care about my parting when I'm doing a twist out because I don't really wear my twist down too much, or I just put it into a bun because like I said, I'm training for a 5K run and my hair gets in the way when I'm running. Like, it's so annoying. Now that my twists are fully dry, I'm going to take them down with a light oil and unravel them by twisting them in the opposite direction than I originally twisted them. So I thought all my hair was taken out, but that one twist wanted to just have its debut and I let it. As you can see, the definition is there. I also don't really separate my twist out as much because I don't want to lose definition. So with the right steps and products, your twist out can come out looking just like this. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this hairstyle. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!